appreciate what you do, mate. It's awesome,
100%.
you know.
$1 million bogey.
Best cruising bike I have ever owned.
All aboard!
Heading out to the Dubbo Motorbike Rally, which is going to be awesome. That's on tomorrow. 550 kilometres today. We're going to take the nice scenic route from Sydney up to Singleton, Golden Highway, through the Bylong Valley, and come into the back of Dubbo that way, which is going to be really, really nice. Hopefully should be able to get some really good footage. A little bit chilly outside, so I'm hoping it'll warm up through the day, but I've got plenty of warm weather gear to take with me as well. Let's have a look at the bike. So there's the ST all geared up with the black tour pack on the back. I'm really, really happy. Ollie wrapped that for me. That was actually the tour pack that you might remember from the CVO Street Glide that was actually in grey, same colour as that particular bike. He wrapped it for me in gloss black. Such a versatile bit of equipment, the tour pack. A lot of people don't like it, you know. I can't say I love it aesthetically, but you know what, it's very, very functional, completely waterproof, takes a hell of a lot of stuff, which is what I need when I'm touring, from camera gear to all that sort of stuff. But there we go, all ready to go. And this is the little bad boy, which we haven't seen for a while. This guy's just handy to put some, you know, jumpers in, some extra stuff there, have it on the back seat, easy access, and we're all ready to go up here in the cockpit. We've got the camera, GoPro vlogging camera all ready to go. We've got the quad lock mount here. Let's get out of here and get on the bike and start touring.
Hit the damn road. First stop, meeting up with Jason, who hasn't been on the channel for a while. My best buddy. And yeah, I love riding with Jace. We've been riding for years and years and years, and yeah, we have some good fun together. So looking forward to catching up with him in about 20 minutes. My main man, Jace. Hey, Jace.
Yeah.
So you just never stop working. See, when you're in business, you know, customers come first. You just got to work. It's difficult to switch off.
I love this highway cruising. So good on this beast. I've got the feet up on the pegs. I've got the Settlement Road sofa seat on the bike right now. Very comfortable. Man, I'm in heaven. Motorcycle heaven. The best cruising bike I have ever owned, and that is a damn big call.
I always try to take the long way home, skip familiar places that I know. I always seem to find the open road. I'm looking for it everywhere I go. Hey, this is life in the badlands. Forget about the reason. Don't know what you're doing. I try to catch the feelings. You make me smile. Just stay a while. This is life in the badlands. This is life in the badlands.
Well, we've just turned onto the Golden Highway. So taking the road less travelled into Dubbo. We've got about 300 kilometres from here to go. Some nice country roads and beautiful blue sky. I think we are going to run out of daylight, so it's going to get pretty chilly as the afternoon goes on. But we're all good. Nothing like a hot shower at the end of the day. Now I must give special thanks to fellow Aussie motovloggers. Harley Throttle Juice, you legends. Rochelle, I just wanted to, Roger and Rochelle, but Rochelle, I want to thank you for your suggestion on this particular tour. We are taking this ride because of your suggestion, so thank you, Dale, for doing that. Roger and Rochelle do a great job with Harley Throttle Juice. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. Just some great motor vlogs and chats and the various tours, and they're just a great couple of people. Amazing guys. Just coming into the historic town of Jerry's Plains. It's like I'm cruising through the farmlands in England somewhere. Look how green it is. It's just so green. Just because of the rain, we've had so much rain. Very difficult for the farmers, depending on what they're planting, but the ground that wet, it's just so soggy, it's hard to harvest anything from what I'm hearing. Absolutely beautiful. Gotta love the roadworks, AJ's. Stopped here and they're fixing all the potholes now from all the terrible rains, and they're letting this traffic through, and yeah, we've got about a 10-minute stop. The guy reckons 5 to 10 minutes, so there we go. Stopped in the middle of the Golden Highway. Coming over the Hunter River. Fucking when you're ready. Bloody hell.
Peanut M&Ms. Told you I'd find them. See? Just in Merriwa. Refuel both bikes.
I just saw a massive through on the road. It's pretty fresh. Looks like it had just been hit. So this is the time of day, very dangerous time to be on the road. As you've heard me say before, sun going down. It is kangaroo time. Well, this is going to be one of the last bits of footage I think I'll capture, because we're going to be at a light pretty soon. It's absolutely freezing now. We've got an hour to go into Dubbo. We're just leaving Dunedoo. So let's power on and get there in one piece. Just woke up leaving the motel, freezing evening, showered and warm now, and ready to go and check out this bike rally, get something to eat, have some coffee, meet some people, and then hit the road back to Sydney. Quick overnight trip. Let's go and check out this bike rally. So here we are at the bike rally in Bike Street. They renamed the street, they call it Bike Street. Here we are at the roundabout. There's action going on absolutely everywhere.
haven't been able to have this thing on for the last couple of years because of our great friend COVID. But back on now. And what a turnout. Never seen a V8 engine on a motorcycle. This is what it looks like. Check out this beast. The Rolls Royce. Unbelievable. That thing has got 500 horsepower. Can you imagine what that thing's like to ride?
Well, I had a timber seat.
So we go from 500 horsepower to this beauty over here. Just met some brilliant guys. How lucky am I? Can we do a quick introduction?
Yeah, no worries. Phil, how you going?
Phil.
From Sydney.
Davo from Sydney.
Davo from Sydney.
Yeah, Mike from Sydney.
And Mike
Hey,
from
guys.
Sydney. How you go? All from Sydney. Davo, Phil and Mike, you know, they've been watching the channel for a while, man.
Yeah,
Since we
started,
started, man. I really appreciate
Yeah, no,
that.
it's awesome.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, thanks. I really appreciate the support,
No,
guys.
we
Thanks,
appreciate
man.
what you do, mate. It's
Yeah,
awesome.
100%.
You know.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
It's great. Like I said, mate, I hang for your new vlogs to come out weekly, you know.
Thank
And,
you. Same bike too, man.
100% bro.
Black.
2020, 114, stage 2. Yep, love it. Real estate agent.
And he's in real estate too, you know.
Hey,
Oh, look, we got a t-shirt. How good's that, man?
how cool.
There you go.
Thanks, bro.
I appreciate all of you guys. Thanks
Yeah,
so
no,
much.
thank you,
mate.
하나 우리의 여름밤 그 세 글자 네 눈에 떠올라
Just about to crack our first 1,000 kilometres. Congratulations, Brutus. Good job.
오늘은
Well, we just pulled up somewhere pretty cool. I just wanted to check this out. I've driven past here a number of times. Have a look at this. There's the BMW, the Harley-Davidson. So we're here at a place called Pearson's Lookout. And it's amazing, you know, the stuff that you learn about your own country, you see. So you guys over in the US, you guys have got the Grand Canyon. You know what? This is our canyon, right? This is the Australian Grand Canyon. So Caper Tree Valley it's called. Check it out, how beautiful it is. Might see if I can get the drone up and check this out, but a couple of statistics for you. 30 kilometers wide. It is the second largest canyon in the world, next to the Grand Canyon. So you've got the Grand Canyon and then you've got this guy right here. So it's actually 1 kilometer wider than the Grand Canyon. It's just not as deep. So there you go. So here we go. There's Australia's Grand Canyon.
Well, that was a beautiful look out over the canyon of Australia, the Grand Canyon down under. There you go. Amazing. Never seen that before. First time. Well, temperature is just getting down to very low now, and it's damn cold. But 165 k's to Sydney. We push on, and looking forward to that hot shower.
Got back last night and there was just no recording after the sun went down, mainly because it was just so freezing. Can I tell you honestly, it was probably, for me, it was probably one of the coldest temperatures I think I've ridden in. We got to the top of the Blue Mountains. It's about 1,020 meters thereabouts above sea level, pretty high up, and it was about 4 degrees. So dark, 4 degrees, pretty windy. So yeah, definitely not very pleasant riding conditions at all. Luckily, as we started to come down the mountain, it did start to warm up. So by the time we got to the end of the mountain, I think it was 12 degrees, which was like summertime compared to 4 degrees, but really, really freezing. But what a great quick 2-day ride with Jason. Thanks again, Jace, really appreciate it. Yeah, Dubbo Bike Rally, really great to be out there. First time I've ever been. Yeah, just a great connection of all motorcycle owners and enthusiasts catching up and checking out each other's bikes, and in a beautiful, relaxing environment and gorgeous town. I always loved Dubbo. So that was really, really nice. Got some Ks up on the bike as well. So we are going to be under that 1,600 kilometers. I think it's sitting at around about 1,200 at the moment. But that's all right. We can still run the first service on it. Thereabouts, probably about 1,300 by the time I get it in there. So that's okay. So first service and dyno tomorrow. So pretty pumped about that. And then after that, we are able to open it up and yeah. So stay tuned. I'm going to do another quick video on the tour. I'm heading off on Tuesday, going for a week, and announce the details shortly.